Bitrix24 is all about helping businesses and people.
Look what working from home did to me. I'm a mess. How are you supposed to balance your home, kids, and this?
Look, man, I just want my sales back. Nobody's buying nothing these days. How do I find new clients?
Since the start of the lockdown, there hasn't been a project that we've delivered on time and without any problems.
Thank you, doctor. I got all my meetings and events down so that I even have enough time to play with the kids.
Doc, my business is doing great. We're firing on all cylinders.
Well, what can I say? My team's happy, our clients are happy, I'm happy.
Bitrix24, the right prescription for your business. Get your free Bitrix24 account at Bitrix24.com.